How to use Telegram on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to create a Telegram account without using the app. To do this, simply open your browser and go to the web.telegram.org and hit enter. Upon doing so, a QR code will appear on the screen. Next, open Telegram on your phone and click on three lines at the top corner. A menu will pop up, then click on Settings. Scroll down and click on Devices and select Link Desktop Device. After that, click on Allow if prompt and scan the QR code. Once you have scanned the QR code, your Telegram account will open in the browser on your desktop. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser for this. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and gained value from it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. See you in the next video.